Cost analysis and ROI for metal caps closures production lines. Introduction. Investing in metal caps and closures production lines requires a thorough cost analysis to understand initial investments and potential returns. Here's a detailed analysis along with examples and assessment of investment returns and prospects. 1. Initial investment costs. Equipment. The primary investment is in production line machinery, including capping machines, lining machines, inspection systems, and packaging equipment. For instance, a fully automated capping machine can range from $50,000 to $200,000 depending on capacity and features. Infrastructure. Costs include setting up the production facility with construction, utilities, electricity, water, etc., and safety systems, fire protection, ventilation. A new facility setup can cost between $100,000 to $500,000 or more, depending on location and size. Labor. Initial training costs for operators, technicians, and quality control staff to ensure efficient operation and compliance with quality standards. 2. Operational costs. Raw materials. Ongoing expenses for metal sheets, coatings, liners, and other materials necessary for production. Costs fluctuate based on market prices and production volumes. Labor. Continuous wages for skilled labor, including operators, maintenance personnel, and quality control inspectors. Utilities. Ongoing expenses for electricity, water, heating, and cooling required to operate the production line. Annual utility costs can range from $20,000 to $100,000 depending on facility size and energy efficiency. Maintenance. Regular upkeep costs for machinery maintenance, including spare parts, repairs, and preventive maintenance services. Maintenance typically accounts for 5% to 15% of equipment purchase costs annually. 3. Cost savings and efficiency gains. Automation benefits, reduced labor costs, and increased production efficiency through automated processes, leading to higher output and lower per-unit production costs. Material efficiency, minimized waste, and optimized material usage through precision manufacturing techniques and quality control measures, reducing raw material expenses. Quality control, lower costs associated with defect reduction and product recalls, ensuring higher customer satisfaction and retention. 4. Return on investment, ROI, examples. Example 1, small-scale production line. Initial investment, $300,000, includes equipment, facility setup, and initial labor training. Annual operating costs, $200,000, includes raw materials, labor, utilities, and maintenance. Annual revenue, $500,000, based on production capacity and market demand. ROI calculation. ROI equals annual revenue, annual operating costs, initial investment. ROI equals $500,000, $200,000, $300,000 equals 1.0, or 100% ROI in 1 year. Example 2, medium-scale production line. Initial investment, $1 million, includes higher capacity equipment, larger facility, and expanded workforce. Annual operating costs, $500,000, includes increased raw material purchases, expanded labor force, and higher utility expenses. Annual revenue, $2 million, based on increased production capacity and market penetration. ROI calculation. ROI equals annual revenue, annual operating costs, initial investment. ROI equals $2 million, $500,000, $1 million equals 1.5, or 150% ROI in 1 year. 5. Assessment of investment returns and prospects. Short-term returns. Depending on production efficiency and market demand, short-term returns can be achieved within 1 to 3 years. Long-term prospects. Investment in metal caps and closures production lines offers sustainable growth opportunities, especially with increasing demand for quality packaging solutions in various industries. Market positioning. Enhanced market competitiveness and increased market share contribute to long-term profitability and business sustainability. Conclusion. Investing in metal caps and closures production lines involves significant initial costs, but offers substantial long-term benefits through increased efficiency, reduced production costs, and enhanced market competitiveness. By conducting a detailed cost analysis and ROI assessment, businesses can make informed decisions to optimize manufacturing operations and achieve financial success in the competitive caps and closures market. Write 10 YouTube title follow cost analysis and ROI ***, detailed analysis of the costs associated with setting up and operating production lines, along with the potential return on investment for businesses about metal caps closures production lines and give examples. And assess investment returns and prospects. ChatGPT. Certainly. Here are 10 YouTube title ideas focusing on cost analysis, ROI, and investment prospects for metal caps closures production lines. Cost analysis ROI, metal caps closures production lines explained. Investment prospects in metal caps manufacturing, cost analysis ROI. Metal caps production lines, financial benefits ROI analysis. ROI examples in metal caps production, cost analysis investment returns. Business investment guide, metal caps closures production ROI. Cost breakdown, setting up metal caps production lines. Financial forecast, ROI potential in metal caps manufacturing. Metal caps production cost analysis ROI assessment. Smart investments, metal caps production lines ROI explained. Metal caps manufacturing, calculating ROI investment returns. These titles aim to attract viewers interested in understanding the financial aspects of investing in metal caps and closures production lines, focusing on cost analysis, ROI calculations, and investment prospects. Joshan Golden Wing Machinery Co. Limited can provide you with solutions. Please check our website for details and contact us.